A squeeze of toothpaste starts as powders, liquids, and tasty flavors. Big mixers swirl them together to make smooth, minty paste. Come along as we explore how toothpaste is made from start to finish. Toothpaste starts with special ingredients that help clean teeth, fight germs, and keep your breath fresh. All the ingredients are mixed together in giant machines until they become a smooth paste. Flavors like mint are added so brushing teeth tastes fresh, not yucky. But toothpaste is squeezed into tubes, sealed tight, and packed up to go to stores. So, toothpaste is mixed, flavored, packed, and ready to help keep your teeth clean and strong. Fun fact! Some toothpaste has tiny cleaning bits called abrasives that scrub teeth gently, kind of like mini tooth helpers. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.